Setting up the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the home screen of your PS5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Go to Screen and Video. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Screen and Video. This section contains all the options related to display and video output. Step 3. Adjust video output settings. Under video output, you can change the resolution, refresh rate, and HDR settings. Make sure to select the highest resolution your TV supports for the best visuals. Step 4. Configure game presets. In the game presets section, you can choose between performance mode and resolution mode. Performance mode prioritizes frame rate, while resolution mode focuses on graphical fidelity. Select the one that suits your gaming style. Step 5. Enable 120Hz output if supported. If your display supports 120Hz, go back to the screen and video settings and enable the 120Hz output option. This will provide smoother gameplay on compatible games. By following these steps, you can optimize your PlayStation 5 graphics settings for an enhanced gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.